Hi everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today, we are going to be unboxing the SketchBox Premium Box for February 2020. I'm finally back doing videos. I'm still getting some stuff set up, but we will be continually doing this. Yay! Today is just going to be the unboxing and some swatches. I will be trying to do at least one project with this soon, just not today. The cacti on the outside of this box, this illustration is by Aidan Walsh. His Instagram is awal_illustration, and his website is www.aidanmwalsh.design. Now that we've talked a little bit and we looked at the outside of the box, let's get to what is inside. We've got our cute little sticker as always. This time is an octopus holding some different art supplies. This is our handy dandy menu that lets us know a little bit about all of the items inside. Our featured artist of the month is Diego Puenuela. Probably said that incorrectly. And he did this lovely illustration of a woman, and his Instagram and his website will be on the screen for you right now. Looks like for February we got a bunch of fine liner markers. This is a 12-piece set, and it is SketchBox Signature Fine Liners, and this is new and exclusive. This month is all about fine liners. Back by popular demand, it's another set of our SketchBox Signature Fine Liners. We got a ton of great feedback on these, and they were a hot ticket in our shop. So we decided to develop 12 additional colors. This time we went with a more bold, floral forward palette. Each tip is sized at 4.4 millimeters, allowing for precise line work and detail. They're made with alcohol-based ink, so they play well with all your favorite illustration markers. They seem fairly pigmented, and so far so good. Included is another set of markers. This time it is a set of 6, and these are Chameleon Fine Liners, and the retail price for this is normally $11.99. This is new, and this is custom. It's exclusive for Sketchbox. These unique fine liners use Chameleon's color blending technology that allow you to create a seamless blend between colors. We partnered with Chameleon to make this custom set of their fine liners that are curated to work well with our signature set. I've heard of these fine liners before. They used to show infomercials for Chameleon markers a lot when I was younger, and I'm sure they still do. To get the effect of one color blending into another, you have to take a lid from one of the markers and then put it on the other one. Apparently the ink is in that. You have to hold it vertically so the ink can basically come down from the lid onto the marker tip. And you're supposed to hold it vertically like that for a couple of seconds, lid on top. And as you can see, I did it for like 10 seconds holding it, and it takes quite a while from it to go from one color to the other. And you'll be able to tell it worked because the color of the lid that you put on top of the different marker will be the color of the lid instead of what the normal marker color is. I'm sure with more practice I could control this effect a little better. It took a while to get it to switch over. I don't think I'm going to use that much for this project. It's a fun gimmick, but I'd rather be able to control how the colors blend a little better. The next items we have are 2 Tombow Food gray and purple markers, and the retail price on these is normally $3.49 each. Tombow Food color brush pens feature a firm yet flexible brush tip for different writing and drawing techniques. Create extra fine, or medium strokes by a change in pressure of the brush. I have one of these in black somewhere. I came with either an Art Snacks or a different Sketchbox. I don't recall which exactly. I really liked it. I'm happy to have a couple of different colors with the same thing to play around with. I enjoyed the versatility of this pen. The following item is, of course, another liner. This is a Staedtler Pigment liner, brown, size 0.3, and the retail price on this is normally $5.10. The Pigment liner by Statler is great for sketching, line work, and drawing. It has a long metal tip that makes it ideal for use with the ISO sketch. The Pigment's liner's indelible pigment ink is waterproof and extremely lightfast. Good to know it's lightfast. It is indeed brown, very fine tip, worked a-okay. The final marker is an Elven tech liner in black, and the retail price on this is normally $2.69. This pen has an extremely fine polyacetal plastic nib set in a stainless steel sleeve for smudge-free inking and repeated use with the ISO sketch. It worked as well as any other black liner I've used. It's pretty good. And the last item, which is the only non-marker item in this box, has been mentioned in the previous descriptions. This is from the Drawing Tool Company, and it is an ISO sketch, and the retail price for this is normally $6.79. This tool makes drawing in 3D perspective much easier. There's a ton of awesome built-in features to assist with all sorts of isometric drawing tasks. So that will be interesting to use with these markers. So as I said previously, there's no project today, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use all of these markers in a single project, so I might be playing around with a couple of different ideas. We'll find out when I figure it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, please let me know in that comment section down below. Also let me know if you've used any of these items before and what your thoughts and opinions on them are. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. Once again, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video, listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!